Hello students, welcome back to our dance class. Today again we will work on 3 basic dance moves. There are number 1, 2 step, number 2, the Superman, number 3, the Steve Martin. So let's start dancing. That is 2 step. Stand straight with your feet apart. Now, the foundation of this step is bouncing. You can't stop bouncing while doing two step. Okay, let's do it on it counts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now let's do this step. First, out, together, out, together, out, together, out, together. Let's combine both the hands and let's step. Okay, 5 6 7. Go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What you are doing? What you have to do? You have to bring down. You have to push down your torso on each beat while you pumping up your shoulder. Okay. 5 6 5 6 7. Go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now let's move forward towards our second step, that is the Superman. Okay. Here what you have to do? Lift your right arm over your head. Okay. Now lifting your left leg, you have to jump and shift your leg. Okay. 5 6 5 6 7. Go. 1. While changing the leg, you have to lift your arm. Okay. 5 6 5 6 7. Go. 1 2 3 4. Okay. 5 6 7 and keep moving your torso. Okay. 5 6 7. Go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's do it one more time. 5 6 5 6 7. Go. 1 2 3. Sorry. Let's do it one more time. 5 6 7. Go. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now let's move towards our last step, the Steve Martin. What you have to do? Turn around. First of all, lift your right leg like this. 1, then 2. Okay, 5 6 7. Go. 1 2. Then again lift your left leg and turn your torso. 3 down. Now do the same thing to your opposite side. 5 6 5 6 7. Go. 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 7 and 8. Right, left, right, turn down, left, right, left, turn down. Okay, got it? Practice this 3 steps.